In this video, I'm super excited to share with you the fastest online business ever to make money, 100% free, and you don't need any prior knowledge. Sounds too good to be true? It's not. You can set up this business super easily, even if you're a total beginner in the online world. You don't need any prior knowledge of dropshipping, e-commerce, or digital marketing. It's almost ridiculous. And I'll share an amazing success story with you in a little bit. Hey, I'm Malin, I'm your online mentor. I'm here to help you create the business and life you deserve. Hit subscribe and the bell to get notified so that you don't miss out on to-the-point tips, tricks and tutorials on this channel. Everything to help you grow your influence and income online. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. So you're looking to grow an income online, maybe a side hustle or a full-time income. You've probably tried a couple of different alternatives already and you're struggling. But what I'm about to reveal to you now is the by far fastest and easiest alternative I've found so far. And you don't need any prior knowledge. So here it is, drum roll, opening your own web shop on Redbubble. So what's the deal here? Well, actually, all you do is sign up with Redbubble. It's that simple. Then you add a cover image to your store, you add a photo, an avatar photo, preferably of yourself or a logo of your business, and then a short description in the bio of your business. Then you upload a design, you start placing it on the product suite that is already there in Redbubble. Redbubble already has all the products. You just place your design on them. And you don't have to be an artist. I mean, look at me, I'm not an artist. I started using Canva to create a couple of designs, used some templates, changed some fonts and colors, and there we are. I've got a couple of designs. Okay, so you may want to use Canva. You can get Canva at the link below to my resources page. Just start using Canva, and you can even sign up to become an affiliate for Canva once you've learned how to use it. So that's a really good opportunity as well here. Once you've uploaded a design, you scale it, you place it on the products where you find it suitable, and you select which product should be displayed on your store. And then Redbubble will do the promoting for you. Sounds too good to be true? It's not? So how do you earn money? Well, I'll tell you about my initial success in just a little. And listen, the margin that you earn, you can set yourself. Too good to be true? Nope, it's the truth. I decided to go with a default value of 20%, but you can make up your mind, whatever you want. Though you want to be smart and not become too expensive compared to your competitors. And Redbubble will have different campaigns and codes for customers to use. They take care of everything. The printing of the product, the shipping of the product, payment, etc. All you need to do is just create, upload, and then wait for people to find your amazing work. You're hours away from making your first sale. And I'll tell you my story now. You might not think much of it, but when I started my store, I didn't have much time to create designs, so I uploaded 2 leadership quotes and that was it. And then a couple of weeks later, I had some time to make new designs. So I hooked on to a trend and started designing. It was a Friday afternoon and I uploaded a new design, put it on my products at about 3 o'clock. You know what happened? 2 hours later, I made a sale. So I was uploading and one beautiful soul out there in the world decided to go for my work compared to all the others and gave me my first sale. So within 2 hours, guys, if I can do that, so can you. If you made it this far into the video, I know you're serious about this. So put in the comment below, I'm serious, and then an emoji of your choice, and I'll answer as many of your comments as possible. Next, watch how to sign up with Redbubble and Canva so you can get started today. You're hours away from making your first sale. I'll see you in the next video.